In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to delete junk and cache files in Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is search for run. Now type in temp and press enter. A folder will open with temporary files. Select any file, press Ctrl+A and select everything. Then hold shift and press delete to permanently remove them. You may need to skip a few files that are currently in use. Close the folder, open run again, and this time type in %temp, then press OK. Repeat the same process by selecting all the files and permanently deleting them, skipping any that cannot be removed. Next, open run once more and type prefetch. Press OK and allow access when prompted. Select all the files in this folder and permanently delete them as well. Now search for disk cleanup. Click on this drop-down and choose your main Windows drive, usually drive C, and click OK. Review the list of file types you want to delete, read the descriptions if needed, and when you are ready, click OK to start the cleanup. Once completed, these steps will help free up space and improve your PC's performance. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.